Hello, good morning. This is the second day after showing you the breastfeeding of my daughter while we were still on the bed in the morning. So the same when I wake up today, she still breastfeeds. So we don't have her milk supplement at the moment, so I just bought from my mom's sari-sari store. So now I will take care of myself even though I'm not feeling better actually. This is already the fifth day, going sixth. So correct me if I'm wrong, but since Thursday I felt not good when we were in the resort. So that's because I had my menstrual period that time. I did not expect that it will come on that day. So regardless of that story, I would like to emphasize that even if you as a mom feel sick, you can still breastfeed your child. And I've tested that already before, and I see that the milk that we are producing from our mammary glands are really high in nutrition that enables my daughter also to get her antibodies stronger than what I've expected, because even if I am having coughs or colds, she is not being affected by it, she is not contracting it, she is still strong. And of course I add supplements, I add vitamins and minerals to her diet every day. So now let me cook first so I can eat my breakfast. Hi, so finally I finished cooking. We can have our proteinaceous breakfast. Proteinaceous breakfast. So finish with the milk earlier. I will not drink milk today or right now. I just drank hot water or warm water for my stomach. We also ate this one, glutinous rice. We call it ibus here in our province. By the way, we also ate banana earlier when we woke up. So banana and water. What else did you eat, baby? Oh, breastfeed. She breastfeeds, of course. Love you. Oh. Are you taking care of mommy? She's taking care of mommy. She's the one who gave me banana while I was still lying on the bed. Thank you, Jemima. Say hello, everybody. Hello. Let's eat. Finally. Use kutsara, baby. Use the spoon. Yan, use spoon. Ako tinidor. Sliding. Sorry. That's chicken flavor. Yeah, it's like a hot dog. Yeah, show them? You want to show them? Okay, show them. Hello. It's like a lunch. It's like lemon. Yeah. Wow, thank you everybody. Thanks for watching. We will focus on eating now. Bye. Please subscribe, baby. JEMIMAH. What's that? Jemima Rose. Cheers. Stay safe. Bye.